Today we will discuss about nuclear reactor. Firstly, we will discuss about the parts of the nuclear reactor. Firstly, we will have a radiation shield. This is a radiation shield for protecting the human body from the radiation of the uranium. This is a core in which our chain reaction will be takes place. There will be fuel rods of uranium-235. These are the fuel rods which will produce the chain reaction. There are control rods of boron and cadmium which will control the chain reaction. If chain reaction is uncontrollable, then it can be blast the radiation shield. So control rods are used for controlling the chain reaction. These are the moderators. Moderators are used water or graphite to slow down the neutrons which will attack on the uranium-235. These moderator particle will slow down these neutrons for controlling the reaction. This core is attached with a heat exchanger. This is a heat exchanger. This core is attached to the heat exchanger, and this heat exchanger is connected to the turbine. This is a turbine, condenser, pump, and these all are connected with the help of pipes. This is a generator, and these are the connected pipes. Now we will see the working process of the nuclear reactor. There will be working fluid coming from the core and it will go to the heat exchanger. There this working fluid will exchange the heat to the water, and water will convert it into the steam, and this working fluid by exchanging heat will go to the core again, and this process will again and again repeated, and the water which is heated or converted into steam will go to the turbine. After working on the turbine, this will go to the condenser, then it will go to the pump, and pump will supply it to the heat exchanger again. So there are two processes. This working fluid will exchange the heat to the water which will convert it into steam, and the further working will be takes place on this cycle. So this is the working of nuclear power reactor. Thank you.